Check out this 2014 Ford Super Duty F-350 SRW. This Super Duty F-350 SRW has just under 13,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This Super Duty F-350 SRW boasts a 6.7-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power passenger seat, CD player, air conditioning and keyless entry. Call 800-584-6486 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.